guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's I want to show you how to make egusi soup. So here I have my oxtail. So I put my oxtail already here. So now I'm going to add onion to it. So I'm going to add pepper. So I'm going to add salt. So cook it for about 20 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So now I'm going to add nut cube. So I'll add a little water. So I'll cook for 20 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes I'm going to check it now. So now I'm going to add my oil, my red oil. So I'll add my crayfish with my pepper, So right now I'm going to add my egusi. So I have my blended egusi already. This is how I bought it from African shop. So I'm just going to add it. So stir it together. So I'll just cover it for about 3 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So after 5 minutes I'm going to check it. So right now I'm going to add my baby spinach. So I'll just stir it together. So guys, so we're going to serve now to see the end result. So guys, this is the end result of my egusi soup. As you can see, it came out perfectly and it tastes very delicious, simple but delicious. Just give it a try and let me know how you make your egusi soup. If you know you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to help someone. Thank you, and also comment. I want to see your comments. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all. Bye.